And this is how it looks from a student perspective. So the student will have the information. The student can search for more information by using the provided them with, together with the instructions. So now I've created my haiku poem, and I'm done here. I see that there's something for me to maybe check correct before I hand in, and then I turn in, which makes me done as a student. And finally, we have the view again as a teacher, and it's time to give some feedback and check the version history of the poems, the haiku poems that my students have made. So in this case, I have Stina. So I will open up her haiku poem, and here we have it. Now, first of all, let's look at the comment boxes here. So this is my comment bank. So I will give her some credit on this one. So title, I don't know. I think this is a very good start. So I copy that one and I paste the comment in here, and I send over the comments. So you can build up your comment bank here and give quick, fast, good feedback to the students. Secondly, I need to have a serious look and see if and how long time and how she struggled to make this poem. I will open it up here and off we go. So now I have it in the Google Docs, and then I can check it in version history here. So CG version history. And what happens now is that I will get a proper time frame on how long time and what she's done during those minutes when she created this one. So I can go back and forth here to see the changes that have been made in the documents. So this is how to use the comment bank to give feedback and to check the document by using version history. I hope that you will enjoy working with Google Classroom. Thank you for watching.